Trying to connect a Bluetooth device on your Windows 10 Pro PC, but nothing's working. No Bluetooth icon, no settings, and it keeps saying Bluetooth could not connect. Well, here's the truth. Your PC might not even have Bluetooth in the first place. In this video, I will show you how I solved the issue, how to check if your PC actually has Bluetooth support, and what to do if it doesn't the right way, and without wasting your time. So, let's get started. First thing first, let's check if your PC even has Bluetooth hardware. To check it, right-click on Start menu and open Device Manager. If you don't see a Bluetooth section here, that's a big sign. Your motherboard probably doesn't have a built-in Bluetooth adapter. If you don't find it, don't worry, it might be hidden. Click on View at the top and enable Show Hidden Device. Still no Bluetooth? Then yeah, it's missing. A lot of custom built desktop or budget PCs keep a Bluetooth entirely to cut cost. So this is actually pretty common, but don't worry, I have got the fix. This is what saves me. I use the Bluetooth adapter. They are cheap, small and plug right into your USB port. Just plug in it and wait a few seconds, and Windows 10 will install the drivers automatically. The Bluetooth icon will appear, and just like that, I was able to connect my device. When buying one, just make sure it supports Bluetooth 4.0 or 5.0, and that's it, compatible with Windows 10. Most are plug and play, no drivers, no hassle.